Hey guys, John here with Vapor Holding Technologies, and we are having a lot of fun today. We're working on rebuilding this diaphragm pump, and this is actually one of the clamps that hold the unit together. And we shot this part, took us about 4 or 5 minutes to completely strip the coating on this part. And I mean, this is ridiculous. I mean, how fast, how easy, how simple, no chemicals. You can actually see while you're doing it. You're having fun while you're doing it. I mean, this is ridiculously easy. If you're rebuilding anything, whether you're prepping for a coating or you're actually applying a surface finish on a part, there is no reason you should not be using a vapor hold system because of something like this. This is way too easy. You can see how clean this part is. I mean, this is before and this is after. I mean, we're ready to apply a coating to this part. We're going to use a ceramic-based coating because obviously it's a little bit more durable. And so we stripped the part of the coating completely so that we can reapply the coating properly so that we have really good adhesion. We used a very rough or aggressive media to strip the coating and prep the surface. All we have to do now is we have to give this part an acetone wash and apply the coating, and it's ready to go. The acetone wash is going to remove any oils from my fingers that are getting on this part so that we don't get fisheye on the coating. But if you do this every single day, you need this process. I cannot stress it to you enough. Call the sales team if you have an application somewhat similar to this that you have questions about. We can run trial parts processing for you for free to prove the process, to help you get set up with the process. And also, when you're ready to trade up, we have a lifetime warranty and we have a trade up option so you can grow your business. So there's no reason for you not to get into this today because there is a drastic difference in surface preparation methods here with the vapor holding system. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Stay tuned for more pump videos. We're rebuilding this pump and we're going to show you when it's all complete. Thanks for watching. And if you like what you saw, put some comments below. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. Follow us on Instagram and like the Facebook page for daily and weekly updates. Thanks for watching.